Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to Module 5. In this module, we're going to be looking at an interactive presentation tool that you can use in a variety of educational environments, and it's called BlendSpace, and it's a really just a great tool that you can use in all sorts of environments, whether it's face-to-face, hybrid, online type learning environments. So you'll be creating a your own BlendSpace lesson as one of your tasks. But let me just go over what you will complete for this module. First thing you're going to do is you'll go through my BlendSpace lesson and you will add a comment to to one of my pieces of the lesson, box 7. Then what you'll do is you're going to go in and create your own BlendSpace lesson on a topic of your choice. After that, you will post a link to your lesson on what's called a Padlet wall that I'll go into in a minute, and that's a place where all of your classmates will share their lessons so that you can review each other's. And then you're going to finally post your BlendSpace lesson to your portfolio, and I have a separate screencast for that. Okay. So BlendSpace is really just like I was saying, a great tool. It's perfect for incorporating multimedia into your presentation, so you can use images and text and video and sound, and you can add quizzes and whatnot to your lesson. So it's really a nice and powerful tool to walk your learners, whether they're students or adult learners, through some sort of content area or task that you want them to do, and have them follow order sequentially. Okay, so I've got some examples here. It's you're gonna pick a topic that is important to you, something that's going to be hopefully in an area that you teach in the future, whether it's at a K-12 level, whether it's at a college level, whether it's in a corporate setting. Whatever your future career aspirations are, I want you to kind of pick a topic that you can create this lesson on. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do in this part is you're going to learn about BlendSpace. So I created a BlendSpace lesson on how to use BlendSpace. Okay, so I'll open that up, and you'll notice that each BlendSpace has it set up into different boxes. Okay, now I have 7 in there. You can add as many rows as you want to a BlendSpace lesson. The requirements for your project will be to do at least 6, and I'll get into that in a second. But the first thing you're going to do is walk through my BlendSpace lesson sequentially. Okay, so you can click on each of the boxes. My first one is just an introduction. I can navigate through using this. Okay, I've got an image of BlendSpace. Then I've got a tutorial. Okay, and it may take a second to load, that you'll watch. Okay, and you'll go through and complete the entire BlendSpace lesson that I've created. Okay, and you can notice that the T up here stands for text. We've got an image icon, a video icon, and then links out to other sites. We've got a quiz, and then I come back to an image at the end. Now this is going to be what you'll do for step 1. After you're finished with going through 1 through 7, you will in the comment area over here, you're going to explain how you might use BlendSpace in your learning environment. Okay, so I've got the question here, and then you will put over here your comment, and it'll track you by your username. Okay, so that's the first task for step 1. Then step 2, I've just got links to the tutorial, a gallery, and the teacher resources. Now all 3 of these are also included in the BlendSpace lesson, but I wanted to include them here so that you could have easy access to them again. After that, you will go into step 3 and you'll create your own BlendSpace account. Okay, and from there you are going to create your BlendSpace lesson. Now I've got some criteria down here that I want you to follow. I want you to make sure that you include at least one of the boxes as text, one is a web link, one's a YouTube video, or some sort of video, one's an image, a quiz question, and then for your 6th box you can repeat. or use another tool if you can find one that is appropriate for yours. Now you can create more than 6 boxes if you want. However many it takes to complete your lesson is it's completely up to you. Okay, so you'll create your own, and you notice in mine that I use one of each. Okay, and then I duplicate on the images, I duplicate on the links out to the websites. Okay, so that's your blend space task for the week. When you're all finished with that, you're going to open up this Padlet link. And Padlet is a nice interactive tool as well, in that it allows multiple people to contribute to this what's called a Padlet wall. Okay, now it's essentially like a sticky note board, but instead of being a hard copy, it's electronic. So what you'll do is you'll come to this Padlet wall when you're all finished, and you can just double click anywhere and it'll create a box for you, and you're gonna put your name, and then you'll write something about your lesson, just a brief 1-2 sentence description of your lesson. So my lesson was to use blend space. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick 1-sentence description, and then what I want to do is I want to go and copy the link to my blend space lesson, come back to the Padlet wall, and I can add by clicking this add attachment button, and I can link out to the web. Okay, so I'm going to click paste, and I don't think I hit submit. So I will paste in there, and then I will submit. It says look good. Okay, this is just a general icon that it gives, so I'll say okay, and now it is set to go. Okay, so if I were to click on it, okay, it's going to bring up, after it loads, it'll bring up my lesson. Now I can click on View Original there. I clicked on View Original, and it can open up my my lesson from there. Okay, so so that is how that's the next part, the Padlet wall that you'll do. You'll submit it, and at the end here we'll have everybody's links to your lessons. And in the next module, I'm going to have you looking at your classmates' lessons as well as their presentations from the previous module. Okay, so that's the Padlet wall, and then the final thing you're going to do is you're going to embed the the blend space lesson into your portfolio, and I have a screencast here that'll show you how to do that. Okay, and just so you can kind of get a visual right now, I've got a blend space lesson tab, and I have embedded my blend space right into my portfolio. Okay, so those are the items that you'll complete for the week. I will be updating grades this week, so make sure that you do check your grades frequently, and let me know if there are any inconsistencies or errors that you would like to question. Okay. Thank you very much, and shoot me an email if you have any questions. Bye.